Hey guys, my name is Divya. I am a doctor and I've been in a management role with a healthcare company for a while. I recently took the SHRM exam and cracked it, so I've been doing a series of videos on my channel to help everybody out in the community get certified. Okay guys, if you're taking the SHRM exam in the winter session, we have about 30 days left. 30 days for the SHRM exam. So I wanted to share my 5 tips to get certified and crack the exam before 15th of February 2021. Here's wishing everybody a very happy new year, and I really hope all your dreams and goals come true. So let's get started. My tip number 1, please ensure that you read all the material in the learning management system. I use the LMS to study and I highly recommend it for everybody. This is not a sponsored video. Believe me, the LMS or SHRM are not paying me to say all of this. I really wish they were, but they're not. It's a system that helped me get certified, and I think all the notes are in one place. I know that it's expensive, but if you're using that, please ensure that you read through all the competencies because it would really help you out. Tip number 2, at the end of every section, not every competency, but every section, the learning management system has quizzes at 2 levels, at the CP level and at the SEP level. Regardless of the exam that you're taking, please attempt all the quizzes. It would really help you get certified. My tip number 3, there are many practice exams, post-tests, mock exams, and initial assessments in the learning management system. Please make sure that you take advantage of all of them. Please make sure that all your exams are timed, because it would help you time your actual exam, which just means that you're all the more prepared for the actual day. Tip number 4, be wary of question banks floating around. This is really my second most important tip for this video, guys. Every time you're studying for an exam, you're going to get question banks from here, there, everywhere. These may not be voluminous. These may be 5 or 10 questions, and you might look at them and feel that, oh my goodness, I don't know any of this. But the point is that when you get question banks from a WhatsApp group or you download it from somewhere, the credibility is always questionable. I did get a few of these questions, and I'm so glad that I realized it after the 10th question that this was not for me. So I just stuck with the LMS, and that's the only resource that I used for studying, and believe me, it truly worked out. It's very easy to get digressed by these question banks and think that I will save the LMS questions or practice exams till the very end, but honestly, we should just be going and using the credible resource, which is the learning management system. My tip number 5, don't let nervousness get the better of you. So in the last 30 days, guys, it's very easy to get nervous. Believe me, I had these bouts all the time where I felt that I'm never going to get through the material. I also had a grand study schedule which told me that I should have finished reading everything before the 30 days, right? So by the 31st day, 31 days to the exam, and I should have done all the studying. Except that it didn't happen that way, because lots of things happen with life. Something or the other, made me miss things. So this added to my nervousness, but I really think that we should just focus and study instead of worrying about not getting through the material, because that would be unproductive. Just get through as much as you can, and believe me, you're going to crack the exam. Once again, I really hope these videos are helping you. Thank you so much for watching.